Good morning, students. I'm your English teacher. Today we are going to see chapter number 13, that is the number. Okay, we'll start with one many. Okay, first of all, if I say one cow, that means a cow, and if I want to indicate more than one, I have to use two cows. Likewise, a duck, three ducks. Then here a dog, four dogs. Here a man, many men. Okay, so here you can see that the words cow, duck, dog, man stand for one number each. But when we came across the words like cows, ducks, dogs, and men, these stands for more than one number, that is many. So you can see here a countable noun that denotes only one thing is said to be in singular number. A countable noun that denotes more than one thing is said to be in plural number. Okay, singular and plural you already know. Singular number means only one, and more than one things means plural number. Okay, similarly you'll come here forming plurals. How to form plurals now? By adding s. If I add cup cup, in this if I add cups cups, so this s will be many. Okay, it increased the number of the cup, that is more than one. Okay, so some words are here which are singular as well as plural. You can see first one is act, acts, ant, ants, bag, bags, ball, balls, bat, bats, bell, bells, book, books, boy, boys, cap, caps, cat, cats, cell, cells, door, doors, ear, ears, egg, eggs, eye, eyes, fan, fans, flower, flowers, lamp, lamps. Okay, so these are some words. By adding s we made them plural. Okay, now there are certain words which uses es to make it plural, like bench, benches, box, boxes, class, classes. We have added es to make them plural. Fox, foxes, latch, latches, match, matches, place, places, tomato, tomatoes, watch, watches. By adding es we made them plural. Now there are certain words in which y is changed into ies. For example, baby, baby. Okay, so this is singular. If I remove I and I insert, if I remove y and I have inserted ies, like baby, babies. Okay, so instead of y I have added ies. That made the word plural, baby, babies. Likewise there are some more example like country, countries, dairy, diary, diaries, fairy, fairies, fly, flies, lady, ladies, party, parties, rally, rallies, trophy, trophies. Okay, y is changed into ies. Now we'll see by adding s after y. Okay, after y also, if in some words when we add s, that particular word becomes plural. For example, donkey, donkeys, key, keys, monkey, monkeys, trolley, trolleys, toy, toys, valley, valleys. Okay, when some noun end in y and has a vowel before it. Okay, before y if any vowel is there, then we can add s after it. Now by changing f or fe into ves, here for example it is written calf, calf, calf. So we will change f into ves. We will not write f, we will make it ves, so that will become plural. For example, calf, calves, elf, elves, half, halves, hoof, hoofs, knife, knives, loof, loofs, leaf, leaves, life, lives, self, selves, thief, thieves, wife, wives, wolf, wolves. Okay, we have converted f or fe into ves to form it plural. Now there are some irregular plurals also. Okay, what are they? Like for example, child, children, foot, feet, goose, geese, loose, lease, mouse, mice, ox, oxen, syllabus, slabby, tooth, teeth, woman, women. Okay, so these are some irregular plurals also. Okay, students. Thank